Okay, we're in a 2016 Vengeance. I'm going to turn the generator on. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000 ready. Okay, generator is on. And we have 38 hours? Or 39 hours. It's either 39 or 89 hours. Okay, let's go upstairs. Central vacuuming, king bed, washer dryer hookup. One hell of a nice, it's a nice shower, nicest shower setup I've ever seen. With the, and this lights up, this all lights up. Bathroom, cabinet. That is a gorgeous tub. Real shower. You can sit there too. King bed. I don't know what the brand of your mattress is. It looks like a RV collection. Yeah. 3 ACs in this unit. Washer dryer hookup. Television, desk and drawers. I don't know what this opens into. That's just storage. Alright, let's come down here. Let's turn AC on. And we're going to go with AC right here. Cool. 7170. Alright, let's wait for that to kick on. Let's turn on all the lights. Look at the blue. I should do this at night because this all lights up in here. This is so awesome. I feel like you're at a very wealthy Italian restaurant. Look at this counter, the faucet. These chairs light up and also heat up and also have a massage. Look at the blinds. There's the AC just kicked on. Unfreaking believable. Boombox, fireplace. These are your tables. The table up there to put there. Let's go in the back. You got two beds back here. Let me see if I can find the lights. Oh, there's your stereo. Where are the lights? Oh, here they are. Okay. All right, so you have your sitting with your table, and then your 2 beds that go up and down by themselves. And then you have on the back patio there the patio awnings, and then you also have this door that shuts. This is awesome. This is absolutely. Oh, also of AC up here. 3 ACs in this unit. There's your other bathroom, toilet. And I don't see if you can see anything. Let's see if I can get the light on in here. Alright, I don't know how to turn the light on. That should have turned the light on, but don't know. Boombox, stereo. That turns that on. Okay, that's neat. Alright, that turns that off, that off. Off, 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 off. Alright. I can't fault the unit, man. I'm in love with it. Absolutely spectacular. Look, it lights up underneath here too. Underneath here and underneath. Jeez. This is nicer than most people's houses. Alright, that's going to take a long time to do this video.